Alright, can do that. Hold. Good and relax. Great job. Last one. Doing so well.
Steady grip with the neck. Close your eyes for 30 seconds and we see baseline now. Good job, bro.
We study biology and the study of living systems. This is our human physiology, and we get so wrapped up in textbooks that we read about the cardiovascular response, the respiratory response, but that does not prepare you for sitting on top of a mountain and you feel your heart is pounding and you can tell your blood pressure's through the roof and you're lightheaded because you're not getting as much blood flow to your brain and you are gasping for breath when you go up one flight of stairs. This whole slew of symptoms, like nothing feels right, nothing feels normal, but it's all exactly the way it's laid out in your textbooks, and it brings it all together in a really interesting, comprehensive sort of way.
Meeting Trevor and kind of getting involved with research in third and fourth year definitely changed everything I thought was going to happen with my science career. Opening the doors to research really opened my eyes and let me know that you can do something else with science, and it's really interesting. It's not just a bunch of people standing in white lab coats, like we all say, all stuffy old men. It's being in the field, sitting in bedrooms, poking each other's fingers for blood, which is interesting and it's fun. So it's been pretty amazing.
Obviously it was just amazing. So it's all new to me, and they've been really great in kind of guiding me. So it's been really good learning the new techniques and then just collaborating with other people who are way smarter than me and just kind of being under their wing.
And I think the thing that was most surprising for me was actually coming up here and being right in the middle of all the research and really seeing how it's done and meeting all these new people. And it's been a really eye-opening experience, and it's something that I never really thought I would ever get the chance to be able to do. And I think it's opened so many doors to me that I didn't even know existed. I feel like my life would be very, very different if I had ended up going to a different university, and I'm very grateful that I ended up deciding to go to MRU because I feel like the experience that you get there with the closeness that you get with your professors and the people that are around you is pretty unmatched, and I think that's pretty rare for, especially at the level of undergrads, which we all just completed, so.
I think that it extends more than just science, but if you find something that you're actually genuinely excited to do, just really go for it and talk to people, reach out and see what comes up from it. Reach out and just kind of be like, hey, what you up to? Maybe can I get on board with things? And then just having that healthy curiosity. And if you find it something that you're really enjoying and willing to put in the extra time with, and you don't want to just go bare minimum, then just pursue that, whether that's science or if you're taking a minor or something like that, just enjoy it and pursue it.
Except that there are so many more opportunities and possibilities out there than you could even imagine right now. You might think you have an idea of what you want to do. That'll change 18 times through your degree, and that's okay. And becoming a little bit okay with that uncertainty and just exploring around, keeping an open eye for opportunities. Say yes to everything. Worry about how you're going to make it all work later. It probably won't blow up in your face, and it'll probably open up some fantastic, amazing doors for you that you wouldn't experience otherwise.
Going into first year, for sure, I thought I knew everything about my future and how my undergrad was going to go. And I would tell myself, and definitely another first year student, that you don't know everything. Not only about school and education, but about what the degree has to offer you. So definitely just embrace what kind of comes up in front of you. you get the option to participate in some research things as a science student. So just say yes to it. Like, even if your friends aren't doing it, Mount Royal has so much to offer for you, and you can't just turn a blind eye because you think that you know exactly where your future is leading you, because you might miss out on something really cool that's changed all of our lives.
We good?
Yeah.
Okay. Fantastic. You guys were awesome. Thank you so much for all of this.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It was
it
good.
amazing.
Thank you. I've always wanted to be famous.
Well,
Now
this
we
is
will be.
definitely your moment.